want to show you something that we cook a lot at our house, salmon. I'm going to cook it on K-Rigg and show y'all how quick it is. To start out, I lit my fire. I'm going to get the K-Rigg hot so I can cook on it. I wanted to show y'all, while we're waiting on the K-Rigg to heat up, what we're going to have tonight. We've gotten some Alaska salmon, and I have brined it for an hour in the fridge with some salt, pepper, dill, and brown sugar. So we are ready to go when this thing gets warmed up. Wanted to explain a little bit about the K-Rigg again. So it is a pressure smoker. I would compare it somewhat to an Instant Pot, as in it's pressuring your meat and infusing all the flavors into it quickly. Definitely makes it more moist and more flavorful. The smoking part is actually the wood chips that are inserted in the bottom of your first chamber, your big chamber here, and the heat on the exterior is what's heating up your chamber and making those wood chips smoke. So that is where you get your smoky flavor. All right, guys, I think we're ready. Our unit is warm and hot, and now we're gonna put our salmon on the grill. I'm gonna leave my salmon on the foil tonight, just so it doesn't drip. You might like your skin a little bit crispier, and you might want to put it directly on the grill, but tonight I'm gonna leave mine on the heat. All right, y'all, I just put the salmon on, put my meat thermometer in. I'm gonna put a small handful of wood chips. These are gonna go on the bottom of the inner chamber. Small handfuls and mild smoke, and heavy handful that's very heavy smoke. So that'll be your preference. All right, so my meat's ready, my temperature is on, and my wood chips are in. So I'm going to pressure lock the door and start my engine. The K-Rigg normally runs PSI, about 7 PSI while you're cooking. It takes a few seconds to build up. Once it gets there, it's consistent. The salmon is going to cook for an internal temp about 140, and it's going to probably be about 15 minutes. So I wanted to show you real quickly how easy it is to stop and check your meat or add something to it if you're wanting to season it more, marinate it more, whatnot. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go to the unit, turn off the engine. You're going to wait for the pressure to go all the way to 0. And then you're going to just open your pressure lock door. Marinate it, season it, check it. When you're ready to go, close your pressure lock door again. Start your engine right back up. All right, y'all, we're right now about 140, so I'm going to cut the engine and see what it looks like. Once you cut the engine, you're going to wait and make sure your pressure gauge goes all the way down to 0. Carefully open the door, it is going to be hot. Awesome. Perfection. Salmon was done probably in about 16 minutes to reach 140. So, y'all, it's time to eat. Yeah, I've got to see this, y'all. It looks incredible. Look at that. 16 minutes smoked salmon. We are ready to eat it up. You can check out the K-Rigg and find us online at www.k-rigg.com.